Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel A Ray of Success. Today we are going to discussing about what is mean by a orthogonal matrix. The condition of an orthogonal matrix become A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. I means unit matrix or identity matrix. Then this A matrix is known as orthogonal matrix. What is mean by orthogonal matrix? When a matrix A satisfying this condition, then we can call this A matrix is an orthogonal matrix. What is the condition of an orthogonal matrix? A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Here I am taking a matrix A is equal to -1 0 0 1. First we can take the transpose of this matrix. A transpose equal to row become column. So -1 0 become column, -1 0, also 0 1 becomes second column 0 1. This is our A transpose matrix. Okay, then we can take A into A transpose. So we can write A become -1 0 0 1. Okay, A transpose become -1 0 0 1. We can multiply -1 into -1 1 plus 0 into 0 0, -1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into -1 0, then 1 into 0 become 0, then 0 into 0 become 0, 1 into 1 become 1. It is equal to 1 0 0 1. So here we get A into A transpose become unit matrix I. Next we can check A transpose into A. A transpose become -1 0 0 1. A become -1 0 0 1. -1 into -1 become 1. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0. Then -1 into 0 becomes 0. 0 into 1 becomes 0. Then 0 into -1 becomes 0. 1 into 0 becomes 0. 0 into 0 becomes 0. 1 into 1 becomes 1. Here we get I. So this A matrix satisfies this condition. So we can call this A matrix is an orthogonal matrix. Here we get A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Next, what is mean by a conjugate of a matrix? Okay, the conjugate of a matrix can be represented by A bar. This is the representation of a conjugate of a matrix. Okay, here I am taking a matrix A is equal to 3 4 plus I 0 -1 minus I. Before going to this conjugate of a matrix, we should understand what is mean by a complex number. What is a complex number? If a number having a real part and an imaginary part, this is a complex number. Okay, it have a real part and it have a imaginary part. Then what is the conjugate of this complex number? That means we should change the sign of imaginary part. Then we will get a conjugate of this number. What is the conjugate of this number? A minus IB. This is the conjugate of this complex number. Conjugate of complex number. We can take another example, -1 minus 3I. This is real part, this is imaginary part. What is the conjugate of this complex number? It become -1. The sign of this imaginary part will be changed. That means minus become plus. This is the conjugate of this complex number. Did you understand what is the conjugate of this number? Okay, then what is mean by a conjugate of a matrix? That means we are going to replacing all the element of matrix A by its complex conjugate. That is the conjugate of a matrix. Here we can do what is the conjugate of this matrix A. That become, we going to replacing all the element. The complex conjugate of 3 become 3. So replacing each element by its complex conjugate. Then what is the complex conjugate of this number? It become 4 minus I. Okay. Then what is the complex conjugate of 0? It becomes 0. It become minus 1 plus I. So this is the conjugate of matrix A. That means we are replacing all the element by its complex conjugate. Then we can call this is the conjugate of a matrix. This is the concept. We can take another example. Matrix B become minus I minus 1 plus 4I 0 minus 2I minus 2I. That's all. Then what is the complex conjugate or conjugate of this matrix? B bar equal to minus I become plus I. Here become minus 1 minus 4I. Here 0. Here become plus 2I. This is the conjugate of this matrix B. Next concept. What is mean by a Hermitian matrix? The condition of a Hermitian matrix become A theta is equal to A. Then we can call this matrix A is known as Hermitian matrix. What is the condition of Hermitian matrix? A theta is equal to A. Then what is mean by A theta? A theta means transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. What is A theta? Transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. It is represented by A bar. A bar is the conjugate of matrix A. Then we take the transpose. So A bar the whole transpose. It can be also written as A transpose the whole bar. Both are equal. Okay. So A bar the whole transpose or A transpose the whole bar. Both are equal. Here I am taking matrix A 1 3 minus 5I 3 plus 5I 5. Here we going to find out A theta. What is A theta? A theta is equal to A transpose the whole bar. Okay. What is A transpose? Transpose of this matrix. Row become column. So 1 3 minus 5I. Then 3 plus 5I 5. This is A transpose. Next we need to find out A transpose the whole bar. That means we going to replacing each element by its complex conjugate. That means 1 complex conjugate of this number become 3 minus 5I. Here become 3 plus 5I. Here become 5. So we can check this matrix with matrix A. 1 first element 1, second element 3 minus 5I, third element 3 plus 5I and fourth element 5. So it should be equal to A. So we can call this is a Hermitian matrix. What is a Hermitian matrix? This A matrix satisfying this condition. What is the condition? A theta is equal to A. Then what is A theta? A theta is the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. Okay. Next, what is mean by a skew Hermitian matrix? Skew Hermitian matrix condition become A theta is equal to minus A. We can check. Here I am taking one matrix. A is equal to 0 minus 1 plus I 1 plus I 0. So first we need to find out what is A theta. So we can take transpose of this matrix. 0 minus 1 plus I 1 plus I 0. Okay. Then we can take conjugate of this matrix. 0. Here become 1 minus I. Here minus 1 minus I. here 0. Okay. Here we can take minus outside. Minus. Here 0. Here minus 1 plus I. Here I 1 plus I. Here becomes 0. We can check this matrix with A matrix. 0, minus 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 0. Here we have minus. So we can write it should be equal to minus A. Then we can call this matrix is a skew Hermitian matrix. What is the condition of skew Hermitian matrix? A theta is equal to minus A. Another concept, what is mean by a unitary matrix? What is the condition of a unitary matrix? That become A into A theta is equal to A theta into A is equal to I. Then we can call A is a unitary matrix. What is the condition of a unitary matrix? A into A theta equal to A theta into A is equal to I. Then we can call A is a unitary matrix. Thank you.